And welcome back to the Kentwood Project. Wait, just kidding. Today we are going to introduce you to our new project, the Delta.
Welcome to the Delta. This is an eightplex. An eightplex of, I guess you would say, townhomes, because it's not really an apartment building because they're not on top of each other.
Although I feel like townhome sounds really fancy, which gives us something to elevate this property to. So when you're looking at it right now, just ignore the appearance.
Like all of our houses,
Yes.
This is a project. And right now we're going to focus on the outside of the project, doing all the exterior work on it.
Yes.
And our first project, which we tackled this week,
was lifting some settling eaves. We think they probably had a tree fall on them at some point.
boom.
So the eaves, or the rafters, were broken. So, although not as bad as we thought. So we had to take off the fascia and remove some soffits and see what was going on underneath there. And then, like I said, pleasantly surprised that we didn't have as much repair work to do, but we still had some updating to bring it up to a good, I don't know if code's really the word, but structurally sound.
Yes. So, sit back and relax and enjoy this week's first week of the Delta Project. The front corner is where we started on this fun little project because it was all rotted out a little bit.
Although actually, he's a liar. We started on the side, but we just forgot to take the video. So in our video, you're seeing the front. But as you can tell here, the soffit is already gone.
Yes, I missed the whole videoing part. That's my bad. But these eaves here were all snapped and broken. So,
And you can tell in the video, look at the roof line slowly going up. It was so cool. Feel free to rewind and watch it again. It's very satisfying.
it is very satisfying. This is my first attempt at getting the sister joists up there by pushing him through the outside.
By up there, he means under the roof. And yes, he was trying to do that from exterior. We realized it was not going to work, so inside the apartment and up into the attic space, John went. We are about to install the next fascia board. Fascia board.
Fascia is muscle.
Used to fascia talk. Fascia board.
Is it all better? Is it fixed?
I hope so.
Now that all of our nice, pretty sister rafters are up there, we went ahead, took all the fascia off, and put new fascia boards back up. And went back again with some jacks to even it all out. Look at this. It's straight. I don't think you can argue the fact that it is now a straight roof. The last fascia board, on the side at least. So how was it? You did this, why did you do this by yourself?
Mm-hmm. And here, actually, right there at the end, some of the sister boards still had a little bit of gap, so I had to fill those in with some other boards. And I was making sure those nails are all the way sunk.
Driven.
Yeah.
The corner was fun.
Mm-hmm.
Fun as in a little bit more thoughtful.
Yeah. A little more intricate.
Because you had to get the front level and the side level, but the height of the corner never could get to a point where they're both perfectly level.
Yes, that is true. We ended up having an area in the front that was a little bit saggy, but not in an area we were working on. So we kind of had to meet in the middle between the 2 points.
Yeah. And then for some reason, the roof rafter didn't come all the way to the corner. It stopped like
True.
a little over a foot from touching the corner. So now we're using a 4x4 post and some more 2x6s to cut weird, funny angles to fill in that area. So it's actually going to be all one solid piece.
Yes, and so we would have something to anchor our currently temporary post, and down the road our actual permanent post. Yeah, permanent post. So hence the extra investment going on right now as we both look into the corner.
Yes, there's a lot of us staring at
and trying to figure out angles.
Corners and trying to figure out how we cut corners.
Yes.
Actually cut corners in a good way.
Yeah, true. Although I did feel awesome about getting to use the speed square for more than just making a right angle.
True, you use a speed square to cut a not 90-degree angle.
True.
Which is impressive.
It was fun. Also, the little jack that we used was pretty fun.
The red one or the blue one?
The blue one, which you can't really see in the video, but it was fun.
It's like a 3-ton car jack. It's a big sucker.
Yeah.
Here it is.
This is a post with a jack kind of on it.
Finding the final position.
Mm-hmm.
And twisting it up and down.
And checking level. That's lovely, dear.
And this is it. Goodbye to the old place.
Now, the past owner will not have to field calls all the time because he still gets calls. So that will hopefully no longer be an issue.
We did it!
Well, we are super excited to have you follow along with this project, which will probably be a long one. So look forward to lots of videos coming from the Delta project.
Yes, lots and lots of videos with lots of different new things that we've never done before.
Yes, but we are excited, to have our temporary post put in.
Look at that.
And our much improved eaves going on.
We made a level. Go
so,
us.
Yeah. Well, otherwise, anything else?
Mm-mm.
I think that's a wrap.
Tour.